pop up, and that's what we want to avoid. Alright, come on, come on. Day 1 of the 7-day wheelie challenge. We're gonna see if I can get this down, because I've been practicing without eating shit. I did change a bunch of settings on my far driver, be a little more sensitive, a little more snappy on the throttle, but I also feel like I'm gonna fucking eat it now because of how sensitive it is. So we're gonna try it out here in this empty lot that I'd like to come to. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna try mode 1. There's only 30% of my power, and I'm gonna try to do this little feet drag thing everyone's talking about. So real quick, 72 volt hot packs, 24 150 peak, stock Suron motor. I'm pushing about 75 hundo kilowatts, 7,500 watts. Extended swing arm. I'm on a belt setup. Try this little feet thing everyone's talking about. So cover the rear brake, pick up and drag our feet. And the goal is to get to that side of the parking lot on one wheel, drag my feet. So let's try. Nope. Pick up. Come on. It's like really hard for me to commit, guys, because I don't want to fall. We're gonna keep trying. This is day 1. This is day 1. The goal is to be able to carry it by day 7. Just kind of finger banging this rear brake over here, just to get a feel of it. Just load it up, and that's what we want to avoid. Getting there, getting there. The throttle is a lot touchier than I remember it being, which is kind of scary. Don't judge me too hard. It's day 1, guys. Day 1 of not being able to do it. A little bit. Oh, we got a concerned neighbor. Oh, that was fucking dope. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. Alright, come on, come on. Yep, that fucking looped it out. We'll just get used to that for a little bit. Alright. Dude, this throttle's gonna fucking bite me in the ass, bro. I gotta get it up. Gotta get used to that feeling. Let me try the 1 foot. Maybe it's where I'm fucking up. It's almost like, well, it's probably because of my power, but I do not want to go to the faster mode. I should be able to control it. Dude, I'm gonna fucking yeet it with my throttle ACC step. I think I bumped it down so I have a little bit of free play, kind of like a traditional dirt bike. I hate it when it's like as soon as you touch it on and off. So I have that turned down a little bit, but I have my throttle response turned to sport and not line. The line was a little more controllable, but it also I couldn't get it consistently up. When I put it on sport, it'll come up a lot easier. I just gotta remember to drag my feet, boys. Just drag my feet. Okay, that was better. Let's see what happens when I go to 2. A little better. I should stay on 1 though, because I'm not trying to get caught up. That was fucking sweet, but I didn't cover that rear brake, so that was bad practice for me. Cover that rear brake. Okay. I just gotta commit to the pop-up. That's the problem. Sketchy. Pop up, and that's what we want to avoid. Alright, come on. Oh, that was a good one. That's the beauty of practicing on this out here, because it's electric. Nobody can say anything to me. I rode it too hard on the brake. God damn it. Come on. Oh, a little pop-up is actually pretty helpful. That was nice. Okay. Ooh, okay. We need to make it to the end of the parking lot, boys. Ah, my feet. I didn't know what I was doing. Poppy. Okay, little poppy mignon. Ah, god damn it. Alright. I'm getting too freaked out. Alright, let's go back to the basics. Okay, finger on the rear brake. Wrap. Pop it up. And I pussied out. Pop up. That was so good. Okay, I'm a little warm. It is still 100 degrees out here, boys. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright. I think that was the best one I had. That was sick. I don't know if I was modulating brake or not, though, is the problem. That one went fucking flying off. Alright, I'm gonna set up my other camera here so we can see what we're doing. Alright, we're recording. Let's go do some runs. Just want to do a pop up. Okay, alright. Alright, we're getting better. Too much. Nice. Alright, let's get it. That was cool. Alright. Oh, that was nice. Oh, we are not ready for circus circles. Nice. Damn it, too much. Alright. Oh, I about slid right underneath my ass. Damn it! Hey, that's what it is. Just slow it down. That was cool. That's how they do circles. Come on. They're getting progressively worse, boys, so I'm gonna call it. That is day one of learning how to wheelie a Razer MX 650. Oh, I feel pretty fucking good about that, though. Let's see where those guys were going. Hey, you guys good?
Yeah,
okay, cool. Nice bike. Yeah, it's full electric. Yeah, full electric. It was a... Say again? The kid's bike you can buy on Amazon, like the body for like 600, and then the rest is like battery, and then you just upgrade the motor roughly around like $2,000 for everything, and you can go 60. So these are pretty fun.
They go fast too, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty quick. Yeah.
How much it goes?
This one will hit around 57. So yeah, and then brake fluid. Yeah, brake fluid. So like most of it is like a kid's setup. So you upgrade the suspension, the brakes, the wheels, and then the chain drive. And there's a lot you can do with it. So,
nice, man.
yeah, it's fun. And then you got a little light too, just in case. But look it up on YouTube. They're a lot of fun.
To build it like that?
Yeah, they're pretty fun.
To build that, like that one and build it like this, or what?
You probably could, yeah. Like, all it is changing the motor and then a big battery. So if you can fit a big battery in the... Yeah, I hide the battery inside of here. And then this just tells you how much like battery you have left. So yeah,
Nice,
they're pretty cool. Take it easy.
Yep.
Take it easy, man. I love teaching people about this stuff. It's so much fun. The only downside about wearing goggles at night is I can't see shit right now. A little top speed action. Well, that's the end of the video, boys. We're back on the sketchy canal, learning how to wheelie, educating people on e-bikes. If you guys like, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll definitely be making more videos here in the future. Curb hop. Just love this stuff, man, and it's just so much fun to rip around on a kid's bike. I should probably turn my light on. I'm on a personal journey to learn how to wheelie in 7 days, heavily inspired by the Low Gang. Hope I should be on the main road, gang. We're gonna send it. Oh yeah, we should be alright. Let's get on the main road. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you guys like the content. Oh my god, we are on the main fucking road right now. Let's pass these motherfuckers.